BRICS, the changing dynamics of global economics. The emergence of BRICS. At the turn of the 21st century, a new group of emerging economies, known as BRIC, Brazil, Russia, India, China, captured the world's attention. These countries represented a new wave of economic growth and potential. In 2010, South Africa joined the group, and the acronym BRICS was born. Since then, this bloc has held annual summits and become a significant force in global economics. China's dominance. China has been the economic powerhouse within BRICS, boosting a GDP of $16.86 trillion in 2021. This rapid growth has made it the second largest economy in the world, trailing only the United States. China's GDP is now almost 6 times larger than India's, the second largest economy within BRICS. This swift expansion has been a critical factor in China's increasing global influence. The diverse BRICS economies. Each BRICS country brings unique characteristics to the group. Brazil, with its vast resources, has a diversified economy but has faced economic challenges in recent years. Russia's economy relies heavily on energy exports, leading to fluctuations tied to global oil prices. India, growing steadily, is on track to surpass China's growth rate in the coming decade. South Africa, the smallest economy in the bloc, plays a strategic role due to its advanced and stable economy within Africa. Future developments and projections. Looking ahead, China's GDP is projected to overtake the United States by the end of the 2020s, potentially making it the largest economy in the world. Some experts also predict that India could overtake the US around the middle of the century. These projections highlight the shifting dynamics in global economic power. Beyond economics, the New Development Bank. The BRICS group isn't just an economic alliance, it has broader ambitions. The New Development Bank, established in 2014, focuses on investing in sustainable infrastructure and renewable energy projects worldwide. This initiative underscores the group's commitment to sustainable growth and its role in shaping the future of global development. Strained relations and international influence. Despite the collaborative spirit within BRICS, there are instances of strained relations among its members. However, these challenges have not stopped the bloc from gaining greater international influence. The Group of Seven, G7, traditionally considered the leading global powers, has seen its influence wane in recent years. Meanwhile, BRICS countries have grown in regional and global significance. Conclusion: the shifting landscape of global power. The evolution of BRICS reflects a broader shift in global economic dynamics. With the potential to surpass the G7 in terms of economic power, BRICS is poised to play a pivotal role in shaping the future. While challenges remain, the cooperative spirit and strategic initiatives within the bloc suggest a new era of international collaboration and influence.